I am Tasnias Fahim from class 7 Daffodil. Today I am going to tell about the environmental conservation by reusing and recycling process. Reusing and recycling process are the processes in which we can conserve our environment. Our environment is facing lots of problems in time. The environment is polluted in many ways, and day by day the environmental pollution is increasing. We, the human beings, are responsible for these pollutions. As we create these pollutions in many unconscious ways, we can also conserve our environment from these pollutions. One of the major ways for environmental conservation is by using recycle and reuse process. At first, let's talk about the reusing process. Reuse means to use things again and again and instead of wasting them. We have many things which we don't need and which we need in our daily life. We should change the habits of throwing things without thinking. We should properly think that if it's suitable for reusing, and if it's not, then we should throw it. We can reuse products like clothes, bags, cardboards, and many things in many ways. By reusing these products, the environmental pollution may be lessened. But if we throw them away, the environmental pollution will rise more. The different things are created by reusing the things. We can reuse our old clothes by making different things. We can reuse the papers which are written in one side by writing. We can also reuse the plastics and cardboards. By reusing the papers, the less amount of trees will be cut and environmental pollution will be lessened. And then, so instead of throwing the things away without thinking, we should think that if we can reuse these materials, we must reuse it. By reusing them, we can save the environment. In this way, less amount of pollutions will be happened and our environment will be pollution free. Now, let's talk about recycling. Recycling is the process of converting waste products into new products and objects. It prevents the wastage of materials and lessen the amount of air pollution, water pollution, greenhouse gases, and raw materials. It also conserves the natural resources in a great amount. We should not throw them. Instead of throwing, we should recycle them properly. We can throw them at the recycling stations. We can recycle many things like plastics, cans, papers, cardboards, or organic wastes. In this way, the environmental pollution can be lessened. If we don't follow these two processes, then the environmental pollution may rise. The landfills will be filled and the unnecessary garbage will be created. As a result, environmental pollution will also rise. But most of the pollutions will also increase and the greenhouse and carbon dioxide gas will also arise. But the soil pollution is also happening, and the chemicals and toxics will be mixed with the soil and groundwater, which will cause so much pollution, and it is so much harmful for human health. On the other hand, if we follow these processes, we can be pollution free. In the rivers and oceans, there will be no garbages and the aquatic ecosystem will be normal. As a result, the oxygen level will be maintained. And also, the pollutions will be lessened. The air pollution, soil pollution will be no longer available in the environment. We can lead a healthy life with the absence of the pollutions and with the beauty of the environment. Thank you all for listening my speech patiently.